Hello everyone, welcome back to our e-class of general knowledge. I hope you all are fit and healthy. In this section, we are going to discuss the next chapter, which is Meet the Computer, page number 34. So, let's begin the chapter with me, your general knowledge teacher, Miss Pinky Moore. Let us now begin with first topic, which is Meet the Computer, page number 34. Now let us learn about computer. A computer is made up of many parts. Let's explore the parts to see if you know what they are called. The monitor. The monitor looks like a TV and lets you see your work and your files. Keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols. These are called characters into a computer. It is one of the most used input devices for computers. Using a keyboard to enter loads of data is called typing. Mouse. A computer mouse is an input device that is most often used with a personal computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the on-screen cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons called clicking. Speaker. Computer speakers are speakers external, meaning that they are on the outside to a computer. Speakers contain amplifiers which vibrate to produce the sound. They come in many different forms. Some speakers are already attached to a computer. Some speakers are wireless. They work by Bluetooth. Printer. A computer printer is a piece of hardware for a computer. It allows a user to print items on paper such as letters and pictures. Mostly a printer prints under the control of a computer. Many can also work as a copying machine or with a digital camera to print directly without using a computer. The CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. They contain the brains of the computer. They can be desktop models that the monitor sits on top of, or tower models that stand up tall. CD-ROM disk drive. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disk Read-Only Memory. They are flat, shiny disks that store information. Most new computers have CD-RW drives. CD-RW stands for compact disc rewrite. This type of disc allows you to write information to it as well as read from it. Most can hold up to 700 megabytes of information. DVD drive or burner. The newest computers come with the option of a DVD drive. A DVD, digital video disc, looks just like a CD but holds much more information. They can store 4.7 gigabytes of data. Headphones. Headphones are electronic audio devices that people wear over their ears. They let people listen to music on a Walkman, MP3 player, mobile phone or computer. Headphones typically uses small plug for connection. There is a risk of hearing loss if listening to headphones with a high volume for a long time. Pen drive. A pen drive is a portable data storage device. Pen drives have replaced the floppy drives of old and have become the most popular data storage devices. Micro, lightweight and handy, a pen drive can be easily carried from place to place by students, professionals, etc. I hope you all have understood this topic well. Now let's start the exercise related to this topic. Fill in the blanks to name the computer parts. First one is speaker. S P E A K E R, speaker. Number 2, monitor. M O N I T O R, monitor. Number 3, CPU. C P U. Number 4, printer. P R I N T E R, printer. Number 5, keyboard. K E Y B O A R D, keyboard. Number 6 is mouse. M O U S E, mouse. Here are some other items used with a computer. Use the clue box to name them. Can you identify them? Yes. First picture is pen drive. PENDRIVE, pen drive. Second is, yes, CD or DVD. Third picture is headphone. HEADPHONES, headphones. Thank you.